Recovering from a hamstring strain can vary in terms of recovery time between 18 to 60 days, dependent on the grade. For a hamstring strain, we advise both cooling and compression. Cooling and compression together have been shown to increase the magnitude of the cooling applied. ProMOTION EV1 constantly measures what temperature is applying on the surface of the skin, so it maintains and controls that temperature, ensuring that you get that therapeutic benefit throughout the whole 20-minute treatment that you're applying. In the clinical guidelines for acute injury management, P is for protection, O and L is for optimal loading, I is for ice, C is for compression, and E is for elevation. With the introduction of optimal loading into the clinical guidelines, it was there to encourage clinicians to consider weight bearing earlier than normal to promote early recovery. So if a player is allowed to return to weight bearing activity earlier, this means that they can go back to their gym and rehab exercises at low risk of injury. Research has shown that cooling a larger area with modalities such as ice significantly affects muscle strength and control. Applying targeted cooling to the hamstring has been shown to minimise the adverse effects to strength and control around the area, so the targeted cooling can provide the analgesic effect that you want in terms of pain relief, but it can also minimise the effects on function control, which allows the player to return back to weight-bearing activities earlier at a lower risk of injury.